I'm on hold for my local commercial truck Ford dealer, and I'm going to ask them about this pulley problem that they're having. I got my Class C service up there. You guys did a great job, by the way. But I got a problem with, I'm hearing a noise at like 2100 RPMs, and people are telling me that it's because there's a pulley that was removed in later models of that E450. And that there's a small pulley that gets put in. I guess there's a bolt hole there for it and everything, but it needs to be put in. Is that something you've heard of? Oh, hey, good morning. 4 a.m. and we're getting ready to leave out of here for a long distance trip. We're taking 5 days to head over to New Mexico, and then from there we are going to be staying in a local campground, visiting with our son and his family for the Thanksgiving holiday, and then we're going to be rolling back over 5 days back home. Kind of a quick trip, but we're really looking forward to getting on the road, seeing some states that we haven't driven across before, and we're going to take you with us. Yeah, we did it. We got the furnace fixed, and we got packed this morning. Well, everything was packed. It was just in the house. We had to bring it out here and load. We got Wonder Dog in the car, covered up. What a wimp. We're actually 45 minutes into our 1,799 mile journey. And the phone rang. All right, we have successfully got gas at Sheets, and we're making it down the highway here. I need to show you this though. My wife is improvising. She thinks she's on an airplane.
We got a little charcuterie board happening here. Little charcuterie. Bailey's loving it. You get some crackers.
About 2 hours left to drive today.
Yep.
All right.
That's it. Clear weather.
We'll tell you how the campground is when we get there. We're not at a KOA. We're at a private campground, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So we will give you a run around when I take Bailey out for a walk. It's Sunday morning, and we are at this Louisville North campground, and it was nice because we were able to pull in and not detach. We were able to stay detached in here, or stay attached, sorry, and we were able to get in here for the night. Now, as far as the campground goes, it's important to note that this is pretty much a convenience campground. There's no amenities except for electric water and sewer. And I will tell you that they do have the electric they do have the water on all year long with heated spigots. So if you have a heated hose, you can plug into that, or you can disconnect your hose at night. Last night it didn't go below 40. We did not disconnect. We're getting ready to go here today. I've got the sewer hooked up to start pumping soon, and then all we really got to do is bring the slides in and disconnect the electric and water, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Onward, we're heading to a harvest host in St. James, Missouri called Prairie Winery and Christmas Tree Farm, and we are really looking forward to getting out there because, as you can see and might have seen in our shorts, there's absolutely zero grass to put Bailey out on here, so he's kind of jonesing to get out there too.
We are coming into St. Louis, Missouri. I just want to do a quick video. Now where to go of the arches. I'm going to turn it around.
Be in the second lane from the left.
Travel is over, and we have made it to our destination tonight. It's a harvest host over in Missouri, and pretty incredible place here. I'm really quite impressed here. We have pretty much the whole place. The other guest that was due here tonight canceled. So we're going to be going in just a few minutes and doing some sampling of some wines. And we're going to buy some wines because we like wines, but also because when you're a Harvest Host member, you got to remember to spend your at least $30 with them. I think that's really an inexpensive fee for being able to stay in some of these great places. So we're at Prairie Barn Winery, and it's also a Christmas tree farm, and it is just out here in the open. And it is an absolutely beautiful day today. I don't know if you can see it over there, but look at the skies, how pretty they are and everything. We didn't even have to unhook the Jeep over there. We're set up over in the right parking lot. They're only open for about another 2 hours, so I would say we're not going to have anybody parking in too close to us. And unlike last night, we're probably not going to have a train either, which was a real problem. Where we stayed last night was absolutely wonderful, which I told you on that short that I did. If you didn't see it, I'll link it here. I'm not sure where. However, I will tell you that about 9 o'clock, freight trains started rolling through. And it was noisy. Now, Dee and I treated it like white noise. We were tired from our journey all day, so we slept. But anyhow, that's it. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna have some wines and maybe a little charcuterie. And we're gonna put that little dog in there, and he's gonna get used to just having some alone time for a minute. And then we're gonna pull him out because they are dog friendly from what I understand. When you've been cooped up in an RV all day, and all you want to do is get outside and play, he could not ask for a better travel yard than this. That is all Christmas trees that they have planted out there. So it's a winery and a Christmas tree farm. We are at Uranus, Missouri, on Route 66. Why are we here?
Because we're going to see what the Fudge Factory's all about.
Oh, we're going to probe Uranus here and see what's around. Now, I wonder if you think they let you pack your own fudge? That probably won't make the edit. Well, it says there, here to pack your fudge. Look, it says it right there. Oh, remember that from Thinner? Stephen King's? Oh,
I remember that from Big.
Oh, look, they have a dog like ours.
They said that when we came in here.
Hey, is it okay if I film?
Of course.
Thank you. So I guess Uranus is famous for their fudge, actually. But they look like they got a little bit of everything here. Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Which one? We come from the front and move.
It's a gas and lube company.
Oh my god. Hey honey.
From Uranus. We need a shot glass.
We need a magnet. I was thinking of getting more of a Route 66 one than a Uranus, you know.
That one's sharp.
It is sharp.
You kind of look like one of our main fudge packers.
What? So the story of this place, I believe, is it wasn't a real town. The guy built this place, and now he's the mayor of it, he calls it. And like, there's no signs on the highway for Uranus, Missouri, but they call it Uranus, Missouri. SIP happens in Uranus.
Look at all the moonshine, flavored moonshine.
Yeah, it's like down in Tennessee, huh?
Uh-huh.
You visit us at www.greatestgeneralstore.com and we'll make sure to pack your fudge right and tight.
You've heard of thirst traps.
But have you heard of fudge traps?
Delicious, mouth-watering,
Moist, sweet.
To all of our friends at home, I hope you don't mind, but we're getting about 6 miles to a gallon on this motorhome, so we're just going to show you what we would have got you here. Oh, this is that one made out of bugs. All these.
Those jalapenos, but yes. See? Crickets.
Yeah.
Bacon top.
Yeah. Tony, I think these are full of protein, so this is probably what I would have got you. So that's the magnet that we picked to get for our refrigerator. We do refrigerator magnets instead of stickers on our car. Yeah, they got more that way too.
I know.
All right,
We need to pick some.
let's pick out some fudge. How much is the fudge?
Huh?
How much is the fudge?
It's about $5 a square.
How big's a square?
A square is a quarter pound.
Quarter pound.
Square.
Oh, is that a square?
One of these squares?
Yep, and I will let you guys know that this counter here is the exact same as that counter right down
Oh,
there.
that makes it
With
easier.
the exception of the 6 in the middle being reduced sugar.
Okay.
Well, I want
There's
something
peanut butter and chocolate together. That'd probably be like a Reese's.
You're good. You want to try that?
Well, you want to get one square of that and one of something else. You want to do that? Where's that toffee one?
Yeah, I like toffee.
Because there's plenty to.
What's the base of the toffee?
It's a vanilla base. All
might
the
be good.
lighter ones are vanilla base, and then all the other ones are chocolate base. The only dark chocolate one is dark chocolate or the dark chocolate sea salt.
We'll do a full square of peanut butter and chocolate.
Okay?
Because you and I won't even eat half of that at a sitting.
Right, and then we'll do a square of toffee.
Okay. Anything else I get pulled out of Uranus today?
Can you say that again? Come on.
Is there anything else I get pulled out of Uranus today? And do you want your fudge tight in a box today or loose in a bag?
This is my kind of place. Oh, I got this magnet too. I'm sorry.
Do you want your fudge in a box or a bag today?
Good. Box.
Yeah.
Box. Be fine.
You're gonna check out the back counter, back wall. The sign says "Check out Uranus."
Okay.
Yeah, how was that fudge packing for you?
Good.
Oh, we had a good experience. How long you been here?
Are you down there?
No, I'm not the mayor. Go ahead and tap Uranus. Alright. Want to beg for that?
Any bag? No, we're good.
Alright, here's some evidence that you're at Uranus.
Okay, evidence.
How about a little reading material while you're on Uranus?
We'll take that. Thank you.
Ah,
You guys have yourself a great day.
thank you. You too.
Thanks for exploring Uranus. Come again.
Bye bye. Yeah. Two-headed snake? No, thank you.
He's still standing in the window. My window is closed.
Missing a pair of balls. Come on. All kinds of interesting props and
Yeah, you make that sign really big.